We'll get on to the topic of locators. Like discussed, there are a couple of ways with which we could get the address of a web element, and locators is all about dealing with that methods. So there are different types of locators, and to begin with, ID and name, link text, partial link text, and class, XPath, and CSS. Done. So these are the different types of locators that we could use most often. Now this is not the complete list. We do have few of other than this, but like I said, this is the most often used, and we're gonna focus much on them. Yeah, a point to be noted is here is one single locator could not be used for all the situations. So it depends on what exactly the situation you're dealing with. As an example, two elements might have same ID. So in that case, ID locator will not be of much help. So you'll have to switch on to something else which could serve your purpose. Alright. So we'll see each one of them with a program, and for that purpose I'll take the help of yatra.com website. Yeah. Let me go and open yatra.com. My target here is open the yatra.com and get the address of the selector origin web element and type Hyderabad in it. Let's put HYD, that's it. Alright, done. Okay, so this is the target. I'm gonna write a program for that. So let me create a program that is class for it, and I'll name it as locators. Flash. So declare my web driver, and now what is the address, or what is a web element which would be of my interest? So it's gonna be select origin. So I'll get the address of select origin using ID, and then I'll convert it to by object. Select origin equals to by dot ID, and this. So what is the ID of this web element? I'm gonna knock my path and it will give me it. Alright, look at this. So in input tag I have an ID attribute, and then here it is. Okay, as simple as that. I'm done. I just got the ID of the web element and I converted that to my by object. Now before I go and call that in my driver, I'll have to say what is that? I need to tell what type of browser I'm going to use. It's Chrome driver, and before this I need to set my system properties. So I'll copy it right away from here. Okay, now I need to get the website. Alright, http yatra.com. So www. Okay, after this I need to maximize my browser. driver.manage.windows.maximize. Now implicit wait time, driver.gain_manage, but this time times out. In this I have implicit. Now 10 is what I will be giving argument, but what is that 10? It's time unit of seconds. Alright, okay, done. Now I will have to tell my browser go and find an element of select origin. Perfect. Okay, now this statement will go and get me the address of will go and get me the web element of select origin. So like I said, this is a web element, so we're gonna store this in another variable. Let's say select origin lee. Okay, I've stored this particular web element into another variable, but what should be of this variable type is web element. Okay, so web element is something like an interface, as same as WebDriver. Both of them are interfaces. Okay, but this is used for browser and this is used for storing web elements. So let me go and import the package of web element. Done. So I have my web element ready. Select origin early. Okay, now what should I do now? I need to send some text into this. So like we had a deal, let's put it as HYD. Alright, my script is ready. Let me go and execute it now. What's wrong? This site could not be reached. Yeah, we gave 4 W's. Absolutely. We have 3 over here. I'll do one thing, I'll copy this. Okay, we missed out, yes. I don't want to take any risk. Yeah, it's working this time. I shouldn't say this is fast. It's pretty slow. And the script being slow, it has nothing to do with the script. It's because of the net connection. Alright, see, we got what we needed. So next is we did this using ID, but next is I want to do it with name. Right, so I've just written everything but changed my name. But what about this? Do you think the name of this web element will be the same as ID? Who knows? Let me go and check that. I could not predict that. Right, so what is where is it name? Okay, here it is. Is it same? Absolutely not. Okay, let me go and change this now. Okay, I'm running the script again, but this time it's by .name. Will it work? Hopefully. Perfect, it worked. So I'm done with my ID and then I'm done with my name. What is next? What is the next is link text. Alright, now what is this link text locator? Now if we observe this website, there are a couple of links available on them, and see when I have my mouse on it, it shows me that there is a link. When I click on hotel, then I got something else. So it's quite obvious we do have links available on website. So I want to click on this link hotels. So how do I do that? Is using the locator link text. So this has got nothing to do with the address of any web element. Straight away, what is that? I will see on my browser. I'll give that. So it's gonna be HOTELS hotels. Okay, just to suit these hotels, I'll change all my respective variable names. Alright, so rebelment select origin is no more, so I'll say it as tails. What's wrong? Tails. Okay. What should I do to this rebelment? Do I need to send some text to it? Absolutely not. I'll have to click. Okay, so copy this, paste it. Right, done. So this time I'm saying it browser, you have a web element which is of link type and the text is of hotels. Go and click on that. Alright, now I've executed the script. So currently we could see it clicked and then we got the details. It's working fine. So partial link text is exactly the same, but instead of the complete text we give partial text. That's the only difference, otherwise it's absolutely the same. Okay. So yeah, this is how we work with the different types of locators, and we are done with ID, name, link text and partial link text. But we did not see these the program, but it is as same as link text. So we are due with class, XPath and CSS, these three types of locators. How do we do it?